With Perma Ultra, the future of single-point lubrication is here. With 3 cartridge sizes, pressure buildup to 50 bar or 725 psi, and options of weekly and monthly time settings, Perma Ultra is an extremely versatile and capable lubrication system suited to a wide range of applications. The operational status of the system is communicated in a variety of convenient ways. The combination of the backlit display and the bright red and green signal lights provides immediate confirmation of the system status. This and more information, such as discharge period and lubricant volume, can also be viewed using the new Perma Connect app that is connected via Bluetooth. Perma Ultra can be used to reliably lubricate a wide variety of equipment that demands high lubrication rates or requires long remote grease lines to ensure safe access. The future is here. Be a part of it now with Perma Ultra. Contact us today.